Hi, Chelsea. I'm just going to compare your answers to the answer key. The first one, it looks like you did a really good job. Everything is right on track. Let's go ahead and look at number 3. The only thing here, you have the extra G code here. So I'm going to move on to number 5. So you have the B20. You're doing a good job making sure that you have that first. You do not need the LO4. Just go ahead and look in the excludes note in that category. And you're right on with the F11 code. You do not need the B9689. Otherwise, you did pretty good. So let's go ahead. And the answers are posted in announcements. So let's go ahead and go to chapter 3. Number 1 here, we want to, and I know students, I had another student ask me about this one. You want to go under other specified disorder of the adrenal gland. And then you're just going to go ahead and code both your E codes here, which it looks like you have done. The only thing here, it looks like that you are coding hypertensive. So this is a standalone hypertension, so that's all we want to code. Okay, number 3, we have type 2 diabetes with the hyperglycemia. You did good with the UTI, streptococcus. Everything looks great. Number 5, once again, you did a really nice job. With this code here, the 3 code, it's fine that you coded it. One thing to remember, if it's non-invasive as an inpatient, you don't need to code those. The charge master will pick those up. Okay, so here at least you are in with the type 1, which that's good. It's just the hypoglycemia with the coma, and we have underdosing. So we need to make sure that T code's in there. All right, chapter 10. Okay, my system is being a little crazy here. Goodness. Sorry about that. All right, so chapter 10, not sure what your extra, we only have the 1 laceration. The open wound is sequenced as principal diagnosis. Treatment is directed towards that, the excisional debridement. We do have cellulitis in 2 places here. So for number 10, I'm not sure what your other 2 codes are, but we are only coding the scalp on this one. Okay, number 2. The spina bifida is going to be principal diagnosis, or I'm sorry, pressure ulcer should be principal diagnosis. Otherwise, you did a really nice job with that one. Number 3 looks really good. Number 4, just an extra B code. So I don't know if you are coding an organism. And number 5 looks good. You are right on with your procedures, so you're doing a really good job there. Number 6, again, I'll have to maybe check out what your B codes are that you're using for extra. So here is a comment. Looks like you have an S code. You don't sign anything for the scratch on the leg because it had progressed to cellulitis. So basically, it was a sign or symptom of the cellulitis, and that's all you're going to code at that point. This one here looks like you're just off on your L code. We do need a T code for adverse effect. And then we have our UTI, we have the E. coli. Looks like you're pretty good here. I have 0 versus the 0.1. But overall, your assignment looks really good. So these answers are posted in announcement. Just send me an email if you have any questions.